Here's how to fix the "there has been an error" message in the Microsoft Store. This error usually comes from the store's install service, getting into a stuck state. Restarting it and resetting the store clears both issues at once. Search for Services and open it. Scroll down to Microsoft Store Install Service and double-click it. Make sure Startup Type is set to Automatic, click Stop, then Apply and OK. Double-click it again and click Start to restart the service fresh. Now go to Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps. Scroll to the very bottom and click System Components. This section is hidden from the main list, which is why most people never find it. Scroll down to Microsoft Store, click the three dots and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Repair first. Always try Repair before Reset, since Repair fixes the issue without clearing your data. If the error continues after Repair, click Reset and confirm. Finally, press Windows R, type wsreset.exe and press Enter. This flushes the store cache completely and is the step that resolves it for most people even when the earlier steps do not. The store will open automatically once the reset finishes. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.